Ïing ki balashna na bentai ki Baduk ha Umbuda temboy ki lashu sa Iingjah klem don basa namar ba ka sarkar kampat sim la bentai ki Baduk ya kini ki Ïing lashna ling ba ka integrated housing and development program ha Umbuda bat ki don kumbashi spa ru pratli ki unit kenang ban pentelunya ke kam syakmatu MLA kenong po uba Meryl Bonds uba lom ya ki officer ketnat ban pentikna baka kam kanum sa teng kane ka project ke day ke bala slembha kejing sateng ubat meral bon loong ba ha kejing shisha kala don ke komiti ke bopek ya kene ke bala kli dau deputy commissioner Hendra namar ba kene ke komiti kamsim lala ban pre kambha kala pensateng ban pensa ya ki bru ki Baduk ha kate ke Ïing.
With regard to the integrated housing and slum development program, this is a very beautiful program where way back in 2008-2009 it was sanctioned to facilitate the poor family who doesn't have a house, who doesn't have a land, they will be accommodated there. And this project has been pending, and now around 128 unit has been completed. And due to the issue that the beneficiary that has been selected, the committee which is headed by the deputy commissioner, they have not directed them to go and stay there. So these places and this house, it's just lying like that, and it has become a place where criminals and other unfair means are taking place there. So it is very unacceptable that this is an asset of the government and this thing should not happen. That's why I have called this meeting to ensure that an asset of the government, it has to be for the benefit of the people at large. So I have directed the Deputy Commissioner Riboy, who is the chairman of the committee of the implementation committee within the district and Nongpo, to immediately call a meeting, because they have got approval for around 32 beneficiaries. 32 beneficiaries the government has already approved that they will be shifted there. Now the issue is that, even the question now is that, because the approval has come since February 2022, but till now they have not been directed to stay there. So we have to find out why it happened like that. That's why our Deputy Commissioner is a new DC that we're having. So I have instructed him to call a meeting with the headmen and to ensure that these 32 beneficiaries, they have to be shifted there for their benefit. At the same time, for the remaining, because total units is 228. So the remaining, the lists again will be prepared by the villages and they will be sent to department for approval, and we have to follow it up that it will be made operationalized.